What is going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. I know, 2 in 1 day. We have breaking news that we need to discuss. Usually I don't make 2 videos that often unless there is some crazy stuff going on, but as you can tell by my thumbnail as well as the title of today's video, hopefully I'm the first one to bring it to you, but if not, this is still insane and we need to talk about this ASAP with how this correlates with everything that's happening with the charts. But cat's out of the bag, we have officially won the SEC crypto lawsuit. Absolutely insane. After years of battling the courts, what, 6-7 years now of battling, going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, we have finally dropped the ball on XRP. You can see we are seeing a massive explosion, coincidentally during the time that we expected a breakout to happen, which we'll talk about in a minute here. But we need to dissect, go over the SEC lawsuit here. What the heck is going on? How can you take advantage and how can you capitalize off this ASAP? Because BitFi is one of the only exchanges that you can currently do this on, but we have a lot of stuff to talk about, so make sure to watch this video to the end. With that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn up those notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So I really don't know where to begin. We have a lot of stuff to talk about. Refreshing the market, you can see markets are up 2.8%. Not only is XRP absolutely exploding to the upside here, but it's actually managing to pull a lot of the other cryptocurrencies with it. What we've noticed so far is Bitcoin's up 1.6, Ethereum's up 4, BNB's up 3.5, XRP is up 30% and most likely going to be moving higher very quickly, very soon today, as well as all the other cryptocurrencies are seeing 10, 20% gains. It's absolutely incredible. The stock market is not only heading up, but we're starting to see Bitcoin head up, which could be breaking its price ceiling. Ethereum is exploding to the upside here. And what we just recently talked about this morning, XRP is exploding to the upside, which is exactly what we talked about earlier this morning. And so are so many other cryptocurrencies. So there are a lot of things we have to discuss and go over today. We talked about it in this morning's video. We can literally pull this up just for reference here on the XRP charts. We have been talking case in point over and over again about the technical analysis. But firstly, let me show you what exactly is going on, what the news is, and then we'll talk about the technical indicators here. I don't even know. There's so much to pull up. I'm going to open all these links here and then we'll go over that. You can see it's mainly coming out on Twitter, but there's lots of news to talk about here. First things first, not a lawyer, but seems like the key takeaway of the Ripple ruling is the mechanism by which token sales occurred. Private sales or via exchange to determine if a contract existed. The exchanges seem to be big winners here. Exchanges seem to be big winners. Coinbase, as a leading exchange, likely going to become the de facto investment bank of crypto, where all future coin listings offerings happen, and the central repository where proper information disclosures, token vesting, supply, etc., so on and so forth. It's actually popping up new ideas in my head that we might really soon be seeing XRP getting relisted on Binance and on Coinbase, and a lot of the other major cryptocurrencies that had one point kicked them off are most likely going to be adding them back very soon. So this is very exciting news for the XRP price and for us as a whole. Expect to see XRP, and for those that bought, streamlined to the upside. We've been holding on to XRP for a very long time now, waiting for days like today to happen. So it's incredible that we were able to capitalize off these movements here. Moving forward, it goes the SEC. The Ripple case is a monumental development in establishing that a token is separate and distinct from an investment contract. It may or may not be part of, now let's make it a law. XRP as a digital token is not in and of itself a contract transaction or scheme that embodies the Howey requirements of an investment contract. Rather, the court examines the totality of circumstances surrounding defendants, different transactions, and schemes involving the sale and distribution of XRP. Insane. My bipartisan bill, the Securities Clarity Act, carves this concept in stone to provide the regulatory confidence needed to make sure that the next iteration on the internet is designed with American values. Super cool. Absolutely insane to see what exactly is happening right here. You can see, do we have this? Yep, XRP Ripple soaring, breaking rules. U.S. judge rules XRP Ripple is not a security. Absolutely insane across the board. Moving back on, we have tons of new information coming out. We'll pull up the Cointelegraph article. Ripple wins case against SEC as judge rules XRP is not a security. Ripple Labs scored a victory in the U.S. District Court in the Southern District, New York, July 13th, literally a couple of minutes minutes ago, token is not a security. The SEC lawsuit sought to compel Ripple to stop offering its XRP token under the premise that XRP was a security and thus required additional regulation. But they proved it otherwise. So we are seeing the coin explode to the upside here. It's been ongoing since December of 2020 when the SEC sued Ripple. So it's been about 3 years, not 6 or 7, but it feels like that, honestly, between Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson over allegations that the company was offering an unregistered security. Over the past 3 years, the case has had its fair share of dramatic intrigue. Crazy. It's been lasting 3 years, 3.5 years. Now, all of 21, all of 22, maybe 2.5, almost 3 years in the courts. So absolutely insane. I mean, that's enough talk about this. I think we've spoken enough about it. I think what you guys are waiting for is the technical analysis and the indicators here. What we were just mentioning literally earlier today, and I'm bringing up my video from this morning here. I want to pull up the XRP chart, wherever that is. Let's get right into it. You can see here, we've drawn, and I've been talking about these kind of descending flag formations here, and we've been waiting patiently for the break. And this is what's so crazy to me, is the correlation isn't always causation, but every single freaking time, and somebody, I would love the explanation, every single time we have seen the descending flag or any sort of breakout happen, big breakouts, we've been tracking it. I have been talking about this breakout for the longest time. We've been patiently waiting for the breakout to happen. And just coincidentally, we see the breakout happen the same time the Ripple lawsuit comes out. Like there's always some sort of event that happens the same time I predicted on the charts, as if the price on the charts have already been priced in. As you can see, this is my video from this morning, literally 2 hours ago, prior to the breakout here, prior to any knowledge coming out. And you can see we've been drawing the 3 confirmation descending flag breakouts we've been patiently waiting for. I've been patiently waiting for these breakouts on the markets for many days now. On the channel here, for many days now on the channel here, we've been patiently waiting, timing the breakout, waiting for it to happen, and today is the day. You can't say it didn't happen because it's literally right here. So as you can see, we've been highlighting what is expected to happen on these breakouts for XRP. Here's the first descending flag. Moving forward, here is the second descending flag. Let me turn the volume off. Here's the second descending flag that we confirmed. And then, as of right now, we were confirming the third descending flag, which I'm highlighting right now. And as you can see, boom, there's the breakout that we've been ever so patiently waiting for. This is exactly what we were talking about. Here's the flag itself. Here's the break to the upside. We've been waiting for this. We've been watching this. We've been expecting this, and we've been anticipating this. We've literally filled in the gap, saying there's no more room left for XRP to move. No more room, nothing left. The time is now to make a decision. We need a decision to happen, and we need a decision to come, and we are expecting and anticipating that break to actually happen. You can see it right here. I'm circling it, saying that this is it. Watch this morning's video. I literally called the breakout. I just showed you right there. So it's absolutely insane that this is happening right now. We've talked about that there's no more room. Literally this morning, I made the video this morning, 2 hours ago, saying there was no more room for XRP to be doing anything. The pump is going to happen. I called it literally 2 hours ago. And as you can see, as of right now, here is the pump exploding to the upside. So it's absolutely incredible to see it. I think it's so peculiar that we get the news right at the time of the breakout. This is what we've been tracking as of this morning. With no prior knowledge, we've been talking about the beautiful flagpole, the beautiful flag itself. We forgot to do the Elliott Impulse Wave this morning here. Maybe we can do it now. If I draw it, we could start it like right here. Maybe we can see it. I don't know. That could be it. Something like that. Whatever. You can see here, this is the lower high, lower low. We're filling in the gap here. We redrew everything, and I said this morning that we are intertwined within a downtrend, this price ceiling, within another price ceiling in green here. So we have multiple resistances. We have the moving average. We have an uptrend. We have a floor. Everything is screaming that right here we need a decision, either a major dump to the downside or a major swing to the upside. We've been calling this for days and days and days and days and days, waiting patiently for us to fill in this third descending flag for the breakout to happen, and I can call it. I'll literally zoom out. We can go 8 days ago. Let's just take, for example, here, we'll go over to the current XRP chart, and you can see where we were expecting to see the breakout happen. Let me clearly align it. Here we go. You can see right here, this is what we were expecting. The breakout, boom. This is 8 days ago. We called this breakout on July 5th. It's currently July 13th, and you can see just like that, the third rally was what we were expecting to happen right here. And as you can see, that is exactly what happened right here. So if this doesn't solidify the calls that we've been making, I don't know what else will, but I'm super excited. We've been patiently waiting for this. The only tough thing was I wasn't expecting it to be this crazy. I was expecting to see a rally to the upside, but I've been conservatively waiting for a closure above here on the daily, like a closure right here at 48 cents, then a buy-in for the long position. That happened way too quickly, way too fast to not get the confirmation. I don't even think the 4-hour would have allowed you to buy in. Nope, not even the hourly would have allowed you to buy in. It happened all so sporadically, so it would have been very difficult to capitalize off this run. I know a lot of people did. However, the way to do that would have been to create like a trigger buy at like 49 cents, because we really haven't tested that. So if we hit 49 cents, you would have auto bought in and it would have filled your position on the way up, creating that kind of limit order with that position opened, easily capitalizing off opportunities like this. Absolutely incredible. That's why we have limit orders as an opportunity. Didn't call it. I didn't mention it, so I apologize for that. But obviously, we've been doing all these trades on BidFi. It's not too late to capitalize off these trades on BidFi. You can see clearly on BidFi the easiest way to capitalize off this, and there's still time to capitalize off this run as we expected it to head higher. But we just talked about how XRP was BidFi was the only exchanges that I know about that offer BidFi to trade around it, and that's why I've been letting you guys know, preparing you for moments like this. So it's absolutely incredible. Make sure to check out BidFi, link down in the description. BidFi is the one exchange, and continue to do that. If you haven't bought into XRP, or if you're thinking about it, if you want to buy and hold on to XRP, you know, in anticipation for the possibilities of this to head higher, or in anticipation to actually short this when it starts to collapse or correct to the downside here, BidFi is currently one of the very few, if not only, exchanges that offer XRP to trade it. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. BidFi is the place to do that. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below, where you can capitalize off trading cryptocurrency, trading XRP and stuff like that. Right here down in the description, they even offer a demo account to test your skills, giving you 100 grand Monopoly money and a sign-up bonus of $2,888 completely free. Make sure to check it out here. Links down in the description below. That's pretty much it for today's video in regards to the update on XRP. Ethereum's exploding. Bitcoin's probably going to break through this soon too, and the S&P is just heading higher, but insane across the board. But with all that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.